Welcome to the world of embroidery, where the intricate art meets modern technology. Let's delve into the story of Melco, a pioneering company in the realm of industrial embroidery machines. Established in the late 1940s, Melco made a significant mark on the industry, swiftly rising to prominence as a top manufacturer that specialized in industrial-grade embroidery machinery. Imagine the craftsmanship and precision that goes into producing such machines, each designed to bring creative visions to life on fabric. As we journeyed into the era of computerized embroidery, Melco was at the forefront, embracing the digital revolution. Originally, Melco embroidery machines operated using a specific file format with the extension DSD. The DSD format gained a reputation for reliability and was embraced widely within the industry due to its versatility. Even today, it holds strong popularity among many professionals in embroidery. However, innovation did not stop there for Melco. They forged ahead, crafting the OFM format, a proprietary file format expertly tailored to complement their machine's capabilities. Choosing to innovate, they created this format to enhance efficiency and streamline use with a concentrated focus on precision and expeditious production. The OFM format stands as Melco's exclusive brainchild, a cipher only their machines can understand and execute. It encapsulates the complex tapestry of an embroidery design within a compact digital footprint. When we speak of designs, we refer to the intricate details, every hue, every stitch, and the specific embroidery strategies, all densely packed into a nimble file size that belies its complexity. Such efficiency is crucial in the fast-paced world of industrial embroidery, where managing and retrieving a multitude of designs swiftly can mean the difference between meeting deadlines or facing delays. This format isn't just about size, it's about capabilities. The OFM supports an array of design elements, allowing for textual embroidery, precise shapes, and elaborate fill patterns. Its adaptability in handling intricate designs makes it a powerhouse within the specialized community of Melco users. Despite its impressive features, the OFM format's proprietary nature means it's a less common sight outside of Melco's orbit. Since it's tailored to Melco machines, its practicality is limited for those without this specific hardware. While conversion to more universal formats like DSD or PES is certainly feasible, it's not without its intricacies. Many in the embroidery trade opt for the path of least resistance, choosing formats that offer greater compatibility across various embroidery systems. Adding another layer to the evolving embroidery landscape is the emergence of sophisticated digital embroidery software. Applications like Adobe Illustrator and Corel Draw have transformed design creation, offering the power to fashion intricate patterns and then export them in an assortment of file formats. This flexibility has become a game-changer, enabling compatibility with a wide range of embroidery machinery from different suppliers. Melco acknowledged this shift and has since directed its attention towards more versatile machines that embrace various file formats, ensuring they remain in step with industry demands. Nonetheless, the OFM file format is not just a chapter in the annals of embroidery's digitization, it is a symbol of innovation and quality. It embodies the legacy of Melco's contribution to the field of computerized embroidery. Devotees of Melco machines still benefit from the efficiency and quality the OFM format offers in producing superb embroidery designs. And while it may not have the broad-based usage of other formats, it is undeniable that the technical intricacies and pioneering spirit embedded in the OFM format has left an indelible impact, inspiring ongoing development within the embroidery community. To summarize, the OFM embroidery format is Melco's unique contribution, a proprietary file type crafted for Melco embroidery machines with an eye on enhancing efficiency and design complexity. Although its usage is predominantly within the Melco sphere, and it has been somewhat eclipsed by broader supported formats, its technological innovation and influence resonate through the present-day embroidery industry, a testament to the enduring legacy of Melco's innovation in computerized embroidery. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.